Well, hello friends, my name is Roger and welcome to Lightroom Thursday, where I talk about a Lightroom tip or technique every Thursday. So today we're going to have a look-see at the texture feature, which was just added to a recent version of Lightroom, version 8.3 actually, and is located over here in the basic panel. So what this feature does is either removes or adds texture to an image. It's excellent for removing texture and smoothing out skin during portrait retouching, which can be accomplished by dragging the texture slider to the left. To accentuate details such as hair, rocks, or bark, you'll drag the slider to the right, which adds more texture or sharpening to the image. So the texture tool is located here in the presence area of the basic panel, allowing you to apply texture as a global adjustment. It's also located in the adjustment brush panel, the radial filter panel, and the graduated filter panel, allowing you to paint on the texture adjustment to specific areas of your image. Now what's nice about the texture tool is that it doesn't change the color or color tone of an image. So here we have a rather bad image of some rocks in the water. So I'm going to drag the texture slider, I'm going to drag it to the right. And as I drag, notice the texture being added to the image. There's a lot more detail to the waves in the rock. So if I drag this to about 60, you can see it's quite different than it was. Let's look at the before and after. Before, after. So now let's drag the texture slider in the opposite direction to maybe about -50. Notice how much smoother everything becomes, especially the water. And again, we'll look at before, after, before, after. So yeah, you might want to experiment a little bit with the texture slider and see how it fits into your own personal workflow. So if you found this video helpful, I really appreciate if you click the like button below, as it helps my channel out. And I will talk to you in the next video.